everyone! Today we're tackling a common ESLint error in React, no-unused-vars. It can be annoying to see, but it's actually helping us write much better code. Let's learn how to understand and fix it easily. This error simply means you've declared a variable, imported something, or defined a function parameter but haven't used it anywhere in your code. ESLint flags it to keep your project tidy. Think of it like having extra tools in your toolbox that you never actually use, they just take up space. Keeping your code clean is a fantastic practice. It improves readability for you and other developers. It also makes your code base easier to maintain in the long run. Sometimes, unused variables can even slightly increase your application's bundle size, although modern build tools are quite smart about optimizing these away. In React, you might often see this error when you import useState or useEffect but then remove the part of your component that actually uses them. Another common scenario is when you destructure props, like name, age, but then only use name in your component, leaving age unused. The simplest and best fix is always to remove the unused variable or import. If you're not using useState, just delete its import statement. If you're not using a destructured prop, remove it from the destructuring assignment. Always ask yourself if you truly need that specific variable or import. Sometimes, you might receive a variable you don't intend to use, especially in callback functions. For example, an event object in an event handler where you only care about a side effect, not the event itself. For these cases, you can prefix the variable name with an underscore, like _event or _props. Many ESLint configurations are set to ignore variables that start with an underscore, signaling that you intentionally left it unused. For a more global approach, you can adjust your ESLint configuration file. This is usually named .eslintric.js or .eslintric.json in your project root. Look for the rules section within this file. You can add or modify the no-unused-vars rule here. For example, no-unused-vars, warn, argsIgnorePattern, _, tells ESLint to issue a warning instead of an error, and specifically to ignore function arguments that start with an underscore. You could technically set this rule to off, but that's generally not recommended as it hides potential issues and can make your code harder to manage. By addressing these errors, you ensure your React components are lean and efficient. So, remember these simple tips to keep your React code clean, efficient, and free from those annoying no-unused-vars errors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have, share it with a friend who might also benefit, and consider subscribing for more helpful programming tips and tutorials. Your support really helps the channel grow. See you next time.